Okay folks, what we're going to do today is present to you a very short video on a different way to erect the Easy Pole flagpole. Easy Pole, this particular model, as you can see by looking at the top of it, is a telescoping flagpole. And what we've done, and we'll get a close-up here to show you, is we've made good use of the flag ties. And what we've done is, if you look at the base of the pole, we basically have spaced out 9 degrees apart small twine and rope, and using a half hitch on the rope, we can, and you see right here, we will tighten these ropes down so that when we put a level on the top of the pole or on the sides in any axis, it will show up as level. And let's go ahead and center it. You don't have it centered on the on that. There you go, top dot. And if we look, we'll do a close-up in here. You can see that this pole is level regardless of what direction you look at. So this is probably a smarter way to put the flagpole in. One of the caution that I would give you is the way that they recommended pouring the concrete in was to just pour it straight in the hole dry, as you typically would do with a fence post, and go ahead and put approximately a gallon of water here in the hole. Alright, well, we've done it a little bit differently, and that's mainly due to the type of soil that you can see that we have here, and this is in Texas, in the hill country. What you're looking at there is almost pure limestone. So a better, smarter way to do it, based on previous experience out here, is to pre-mix the concrete, and as you would if you were pouring a cement slab, and then go ahead and use our shovel over here to pour it in. So we've already done the first bag, and we're about ready to put in the second bag. We hope this helps for you. What we have found is that these ropes here that we've attached, which really didn't take much time, 10-15 minutes, do an excellent job of keeping this flagpole level while we're pouring the concrete and while it's setting.